Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and this is the LG G7 Plus ThiQ. This is their 2018 flagship phone and has just been launched. It is selling on Flipkart at 39,990 or around 38,000 rupees. That is an aggressive price for the phone that it is, and it has some very interesting features. So I'm just gonna give you a quick unboxing and features overview of this device. Right from the box you can see that it says "Hey Google." It has a dedicated Google voice assistant button, just like Samsung has Bixby button. It comes with 128 gigs of memory because this is a plus variant. There is Qualcomm Snapdragon, DTS Surround, LG Boombox Edition. It has a special speaker setup which gives you really loud sound, and the box is quite minimalistic. The pricing on the box is 55,000 rupees INR, but it is selling for 40,000 on Flipkart, and this is a Flipkart exclusive. I'm leaving Best Buy links below if you want to pick up one for yourself. And this is the phone itself. It comes in this plastic wrap, so let me remove this, and it has some quick features mentioned here. It says super bright display, AI camera, boombox speaker, Google Assistant key, and this is how the phone looks. I'll just boot it and place it here. Let me show you what else is there. Here you have a small box sort of thing which has documentation and SIM card removal tool. Going further in the box, there is a Type-C USB cable, a really tall charger, and this is a fast charger with 5 volt and 9 volt 1.8 ampere current ratings. And then you have these earbuds in this small white box. There is a pouch, and these are the in-the-ear type earbuds, LG branded, as you can see, quite soft in terms of material. And this is the headset with volume controls and microphone, and this is the 3.5mm jack, and this part of the cable looks nylon braided, whereas right from here it is not braided, so this is normal cable. And you also get a pair of extra small size earbuds, so if you have tighter ear canal, and then you get this microfiber cloth for cleaning the display. And let's get back to the device. This is a 6.1 inch display, feels quite sleek in hand. It's a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it says Android is starting, do not turn off the phone. On the rear you can see this G7 Plus ThiQ branding. This phone comes with Gorilla Glass 5 at both front and rear, so it is top notch in terms of construction. It is also IP68 water and dust resistant. This sticker at the back kind of messy, so I'll just remove it later. Let me give you a quick physical overview. On the right hand side of the phone you get the power wake up key. On the left side is the volume rocker, and this is the Google Assistant key. On front is the 6.1 inch quad HD super high resolution display, and as you can see here, there's a notch sort of thing which is hidden right now because of the black display here. And you can see the 51% battery marking is there. On the rear is a dual camera setup. This is a 16 megapixel plus 16 megapixel setup. One of the lens is a wide angle lens, and on the rear is a fingerprint scanner as well. G7 Plus ThiQ branding, LG branding at the bottom. On top is the SIM card tray. This is a dual hybrid SIM tray, and on the bottom is the boom speaker. As you can see this is the charging port, primary microphone hole, and there is 3.5mm port. This phone comes with some interesting features which includes wireless charging. There is also fast charging. It comes with a Snapdragon 845 chip, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of ROM. So this plenty of meat when it comes to performance. It's top notch in terms of performance, and the display here is also quite impressive. The battery size is 3000 mAh, so it's not very high, but yeah, it's moderately good. I'll have to use it for some time before I can comment on the battery. So let's just quickly set it up. So as you can see, this is how the screen looks like. Let me quickly show you the Android software version that it is running out of the box. This is running Android version 8.0, which is the Oreo version right out of the box, and you can see that there is a SIM switch button at the bottom, and these buttons can be customized. The top of the display, which is a notch, can also be customized. For that you have to go to the display setting. Under the display settings you get this option called new second screen, wherein you can select between custom and standard, and when you select custom you can select how this top area where the notch is looks like, and you can select to round it off or make it look sharper. So you have plenty of options here, or you can just leave it as standard, in which case it will try to extend till the edge. This is how it looks. So quite interesting there, and it has a 16 megapixel rear shooter with wide and a normal lens. So let me quickly show you how it works. This here is an object, and if you go to the wide mode, this is how much extra information it takes in. This is the standard mode, this is the wide mode. If you go back to standard and select AI cam, it will use artificial intelligence to identify the object and enhance it further. There's an 8 megapixel front facing shooter as well inside this notch, so let's try that as well. It says person, it has identified that there's a person in the image, so that is the AI. And right now I'm not connected this phone to the internet, so this is working totally offline, as you can see here. Overall, the feel of the device in hand is quite premium. Gorilla Glass at front and the back. There is dual camera setup at the rear. There is also portrait mode. It comes with Android Oreo, a 3000 mAh battery, fast charging, wireless charging, a boom speaker at the bottom, a dedicated Google Voice Assistant or Google Assistant key. So quite feature packed in all, and it's under 40,000 rupees. Comes from LG. It's a reputed brand, and also has all the latest software as well as hardware specifications. So it is a flagship level device under 40,000 rupees, which is not a bad deal at all. If you're planning to pick this up, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section from where you can get one for yourself. We'll give you more details about this device and review later on. This is just a quick unboxing and first impressions. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.